who's rolling in. It's PopoRex in his teeny tiny giggle-wiggly car. He might be a big dino, but he loves driving this silly little car. Today, PopoRex is on a colorful mission to discover all sorts of vibrant, splashy colors on his ride. PopoRex is set to find colors in the funniest way ever. So come on, let's go! PopoRex is driving fast and silly. But uh-oh, what's that ahead? Bumpity bump! Splash! Oh no! PopoRex hit a speed bump and splashed into a puddle. Now that was a splash-tastic dash. And just look at that puddle. It's bright, bubbly blue. Say with me, B-L-U-E, blue. It's the color blue. Uh-oh, PopoRex's car isn't just wet. It's turned completely blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Well, that's one color down. But there are more to find. PopoRex is back on the road in his brand new blue mobile. Hold tight, friends. Who knows what color comes next? Let's roll. PopoRex is zooming ahead in his bright blue car. Faster and sillier than ever. But what's that up ahead? Something's looking bumpy. Uh-oh. Whoopsie-daisy. PopoRex hit another bump and ka-splash! Straight into a gooey, gloopy puddle. This puddle looks super bright and kinda spicy. Look at that. It's fiery, fizzy, color R-E-D, red. Say it with me. R-E-D, red. It's the color red. 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 Now PopoRex isn't blue anymore. He's zooming in a roaring red car. 2 colors down, and this ride just keeps getting splashier. PopoRex is rolling again in his brand new red mobile. Can you guess what color comes next? Let's go find out. PopoRex is cruising down the road in his zippy red car. Oh! But wait a second. Is that another bump? Bumpity boink! And splash! Whoa! PopoRex just landed in a splishy, splashy puddle full of leaves and jelly. What's that color? It's fresh and leafy, G-R-E-E-N, green. Say it with me, G-R-E-E-N, green, green, green. Now PopoRex is driving a crunchy, munchy green mobile. That's 3 colors so far, and he's not slowing down yet. Hold on tight. The next color is just around the corner. Vroom! PopoRex is picking up speed again. This dino doesn't stop. But, uh-oh, another sneaky bump ahead. Bumpity bounce! Splat! He flew through the air and landed in a puddle as bright as the sun. It's the color yellow. Yellow. Say it with me. Yellow. 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 PopoRex is glowing like a sunshine scooter in his yellow car. 4 colors? Wowee! But we've still got more to go. Back to the road, let's keep splashing forward. PopoRex is racing through a twisty part of the road now. But what's this? A super sneaky speed bump hiding in the shade? Ker-thump! Ka-splash! Oh, that puddle is dark and mysterious. It's the color black. Black! Say it loud. Black, black, black! Now PopoRex is rolling in his cool black mobile, like a shadow on wheels. That makes 5 colors. Can we find even more? Let's rev that engine and ride on. PopoRex is zooming again, this time into a breezy open road. But here comes another bump. Bump, bump. Swoosh! Splat! Whoa! This one looks like snow or whipped cream. That's the color white. Say it with me. White, 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 white. PopoRex looks like he's driving a snowball on wheels. 6 colors found, and still more adventures ahead. The road is looking a bit foggy now, and PopoRex is speeding up. Here comes another. You guessed it. Bump. Bumpity bounce. Splish. Oh my, that puddle is cloudy and smoky. It's the color gray. Gray. Say it with me. Gray, gray, gray. PopoRex is now cruising in a misty gray car. Super smooth. That's 7. Let's keep our wheels rolling. More fun awaits. PopoRex is laughing as he speeds down the hill. This is too much fun. But oops, another bump straight ahead. Bump, bump, splash! Oh, that puddle looks thick and gooey. Is it chocolate? It's brown, brown. Say it with me. Brown, brown, brown. PopoRex is in his chocolatey brown car now. Yummy! We've hit 8 colors. What could be next? PopoRex is dashing through the twisty road with giggles. What's that? Another speed bump? He's going for it. Boing! Splash! Wowza! This puddle is bursting with energy. Zesty and zingy. It's orange. Say it with me. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange, orange, orange. Now, PopoRex is zooming in his juicy orange ride. Vroom, vroom. 9 colors done. What will the next one be? PopoRex is on a roll. Whee! But uh-oh, another sneaky speed bump. Bumpity boop, splat! What? That puddle is sweet and sparkly. It's the color P-I-N-K. Pink. Say it with me. P-I-N-K. Pink, pink, pink. PopoRex looks like a rolling cupcake now. So cute. Just one last color left. Let's see where the road leads. PopoRex is on his final stretch, wind in his face, Dino smile wide. But you guessed it, one last mega bump ahead. Bumpity bop, ka-splash! Oh, wow, this puddle is royal and magical. It's P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Say it with me. P-U-R-P-L, purple, purple, purple. PopoRex is cruising in his purple power car, king of the road. That's it. All the colors found. What a ride it's been! Which color was your favorite? Let's drive with PopoRex again soon. Vroom!
Hey, that was so much fun! Did you like the video? Then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends so they can learn along too. Bye-bye! See you soon on PoPoBuzz.